What's the meaning of assiduity? Assiduity. Assiduity.
Assiduity. Assiduity. Assiduity refers to the quality of being diligent and hardworking, showing persistent and consistent effort towards a goal. This trait is highly valued in many areas, including academics, workplace performance, and personal development. People who possess assiduity often have exceptional discipline, motivation, and focus, allowing them to maintain high levels of productivity and effectiveness. With assiduity, individuals can achieve their goals and aspirations more efficiently, and their efforts are typically recognized and rewarded with success and progress. Ultimately, assiduity is a key attribute that enables individuals to reach their full potential and make meaningful contributions to society.